Okay, now the pulley cover. Install it on first, like this. Okay, the face makes sense. Okay, and the live wire. This is the pulley cover. That's the pulley cover. Just the inside cover. That's the live wire. You run it through here, and then connect it with the coil, the ignition coil. And now, nice and finish. Now you put it inside here. Then put this one back. And finish. That's it. That looks good. And then insert the pulley itself. That's it. Okay. That's it. Finish. Okay, now time to put the cubby go now. Line up cubby view. Gasket.
One is interested, you guys.
The gasket go. And then the plastic
To have you
extension. And then now I put it like this. And insert the throttle wire to the ketsa plastic ketsa here. Put it back. Then now you can just slip that cubby like this one. Slide it down and then simply push in the choke.
100 GY.
Like this, just like this.
You learn so you start.
Okay. Now just make the screws, cubby screws. Two screws is going now. Yes. The two screws are going in.
Going
Cubby
well,
screws. Okay. Let's insert the fuel hose. Just like this. And then it's done now. Now you can tighten the screws properly. Don't make it too tight, just and tight only. And then you need to insert those two screws from the top. The top screws. That's the one. There you go. Okay. Just like that. Okay, the screws are going in now. Now you can make it tight. This one. The two screws leading to the cylinder must be tightened properly to avoid leakage from the cabin. on the head. Okay? Make it tight like this. Now we come to the next one. Okay. So the other one. Let's finish now. Okay.
Final
Make it
stage.
tight. Make it tight like this. Okay. Make it tight like this. Like this. And then where's the two rubber? This rubber is just a protection for these two screws here. If the two screws happen to one of them happen to come out, it will go in here and then travel through the piston, the chamber leading to the piston. So always put this rubber back to avoid screws from coming out and going into the piston.
The piston will break.
It will follow the chamber here to the piston, and definitely the piston will be damaged. Okay,
Okay.
I think that's good now. Okay, insert the spark plug. That's the spark plug. Before inserting the spark plug, you might have to like this, and then spark plug. Okay. That's done now. Thank you. Look forward for the next video again.
Okay, this is our muffler. Time to install back the muffler. Since we don't have the gasket in stock, this is what I have done. I cut the canteen as a muffler. This is to reduce the heat from the head over here. If the heat is coming from here, then this guy is gonna separate the heat, condense the heat. And so I just cut it out from the canteen. Okay. Install the two screws in the gasket. Put them inside. The gasket you just made. It's ready to fill in that now. Okay. Now we'll just put it inside, slide it through. Okay, push it through the holes, line it up, then just stuck it to tighten the screws. Okay, you tighten the pinions. And tighten go through the inside. Dit is een gasket hè. En die ook met gasket hè. Je kent die en goed dat en dat condensum heat. So every time dia nak gasket. Kati kentin tasu na betul na namel. Di pesan ni mas dia kat gasket do namel. Emas separate meat do cylinder head do muffler. I did everything. See, our machine is fixed now. Everything is just in place. Okay. Put back this one. Okay. Now we can take this off. Okay. After we start it, we can put it back. Okay. After we put everything, the cubby, the piston, the head, the muffler, and then the pulley cover, everything is in place now. So now we'll try to start and see if we can do. Okay, look here, now we try to start it. Okay, put on the switch, put back the recoil valve. We can put a choke to try it, but now we'll try to start it without choke. Okay, look on the clutch.
Okay, what's that, Asul? Best machine Husqvarna stock. Choose Husqvarna. Na backup parts over sa niyo stock.